Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the double drip pan in the GE range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new double drip pan. The double drip pan is used for protecting the cooktop from spills during the cooking. The main reason for the drip pan replacement is if the protective enamel is badly damaged or it's simply missing. We're going to start with removing both burner grates. And then we're going to just lift off the old double drip pan. This is the old double drip pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to bring in a new drip pan. Place it over the burners. And then we're going to install the burner grates. So this tab goes underneath of this one, and this tab interlocks underneath of the left one. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.